Today's day 17 on the CDT and ready to crush some miles again. Feel much better. So let's go. Woo! Top of the climb for the day. The moss on these trees is so cool. Look at that. That's wild. Sick. It's this whole forest. It's 5:30-ish. Let's see, 12. No, it's 6. We're coming up on our second water source for the day. So first we had a 13-mile water carry and a 10. But yeah, coming up on our second source now, and I'm thirsty. Let's go. It's nice out right now. I like it. That bird is so cool. It's making just really cool noises. That's so sick. It sounds like R2D2. That's cool. Anyways, I'm going tonight. Or going to bed. I'm tired. All right. Good night.